Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can zoom in Davinci Resolve. So firstly, open up Davinci Resolve. Then as you can see, I already have a clip in my timeline. So just simply click on your clip. Then go to the inspect panel over here and move your cursor a little bit ahead, like something over here. Then make a keyframe just by clicking at the diamond icon over here, where it says zoom. Now in order to see the keyframes, simply just click on the diamond icon on the timeline. Now move the cursor a little bit ahead, like something over here. Then just simply zoom it. You can also change the positions. Just simply go back to the previous keyframe by just clicking at the arrow right here. So to make a position keyframe, just again click the diamond button in front of position and a keyframe will be created. Now go back to the second keyframe of zoom, then change the position a little bit towards down. Perfect. Now scroll a little bit. Then what you can do is just simply bring these keyframes onto the other side just by holding Alt while it's selected, and it will copy the keyframe. So for the last keyframe, just simply click on the keyframe, then press Ctrl+C, then choose your place where you want to zoom out, then just press Ctrl+V, and the keyframe will be pasted. So now if I play the clip, there will be a nice zoom in and zoom out effect. So this is the way how you can create a zoom in effect in Davinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.